These are the ARTEZA cold press watercolor paper that are double-sided, acid-free, and bound in a natural linen bind. I have one that's already open. I've been using these for years. It comes with this nice elastic here. And what I wanted to show you was just how beautiful these papers are. As you can see, when you open it, it's got this nice if lost return to area here. And then the paper itself is very, very durable. I want to show you here, if I zoom in, you can see just how textured and nice both sides of the paper are. And it comes with this little ribbon separator here, so you'll always know where you are in your sketchbook. And again, it comes with this nice linen bound background here, as well as this pocket in the back, so that when you're out and about and you find something that you are just super inspired by and you want to keep it and put it right here in your journal, you absolutely can. They also come in different sizes. This is 110-pound paper. This particular one is 5.5 by 5.5, and this one here is 8.25 by 8.25 inches. I absolutely love this paper for day-to-day use, and I think that you will too.